Today I'm making pizza. Here's so yummy. But that one is so with a lot of ingredients. My dad bought it, $20 at Lucky. So this one is my school. I put it in there. So I can see all my friends and my teacher. They are painting. They have a lot of things to do. They take care. They have swimming pool, sand. So I learned this from my dad. So I made it. Wow, it's a big food plate. But that one I have so a lot. This is my favorite sauce. It's so sour. Wait, he bought it because he knows it's my favorite sauce. Wow, it's not that thing. Look like an ice cream, but it's so wiggling. Look like a gummy bear. So this one is so yummy. I tell you. So we can roll. So I think I'm gonna make a sushi soon. So friend, you can eat with me. So this is so yummy and special. If you want, look at this. It's my school. Bye guys. If you want to eat, look my video. So I'm gonna make a sushi soon. Okay, bye.